Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Fun. In today's class, we will talk about the remaining two rivers of Rajasthan that drain their water into the Run of Kutch. So, these are the West Banas and the Sabarmati. So, let's discuss about both of these rivers. The origin of West Banas is from Naya Sanwara, it is in Sirohi. The discharge point is Little Run of Kutch, which is in Gujarat. Then we will talk about the catchment area. The catchment area is only the Sirohi district, and the tributaries are the Kukdi, the Sukli, and the Sipu. So you need to remember this is the exception of the river, as the river that are ending from Re falls in the tributaries of river Luni, but this is the exception. So the tributaries are Kukdi and Sipu. So these are the tributaries. The next point is that Abu and Disanagar. Disanagar is in Gujarat and Abu is in Sirohi. These are located on the banks of this river. So this is all about the river West Banas. Then we will talk about the river Sabarmati. As everyone is aware about the river Sabarmati and everyone has heard the name Sabarmati, so let's talk about the points. The origin of Sabarmati is the Padarna Hills, which is in Udaipur. Then the discharge point is Gulf of Cambay. This is in Gujarat. The length is 416 km. This is the total length, and in Rajasthan it is only 45 km. The catchment area is Udaipur, and the catchment area of West Banas is Sirohi, and of Sabarmati it is only in Udaipur. Further it goes into the district. Further it goes into the state Gujarat. The tributaries are Vaitrak, Sei, Hatimati, Meshwa, Mansi, Vakal, and Majam. And we'll talk about the trick. The trick is वैसे हमें मावा चाहिए. So वैसे is for Vaitrak, Sei is for Sei. Then we have Hame. Hum is for Hatimati and Me is for Meshwa. Then we have Mawa. Ma is for Mansi and Va is for Vakal, and we have to remember the Majam. Okay. Now we need to talk about the cities that are present on its bank. These are Gandhinagar, then we have Ahmedabad, and we have Sabarmati. Now we will talk about the water tunnels of the river Sabarmati. The first one is Sei Water Tunnel. It connects Udaipur to Pali and it supplies water to Javai Dam, as we have discussed this in the previous class. And correction in that class is we have Kagdi pickup in Banswara. Over there I have mentioned Dungarpur, but it is Banswara. Then it supplies water to Javai Dam, and this is the first water tunnel of Rajasthan. Then we have Mansi Vakal water tunnel. It supplies water to Mohanlal Sukhadia project. This is the longest water tunnel of Rajasthan, and it is the second water tunnel of Rajasthan. So let us see the catchment area of river Banas and West Banas and Sabarmati. So West Banas, it is in Sirohi only, and it drains into Gujarat and further the Gulf of Cambay and the Arabian Sea. Then we are having the Sabarmati. It is present in Udaipur, only 45 kilometers, and it also drains water into Arabian Sea. So we have discussed the rivers of Arabian Sea. In the next video, we will talk about the inland drainage pattern of Rajasthan. Over here we will talk about the river Gaggar. Then we will talk about the river Banganga. Then we have Kanthi. Then we have Rupa Rail, and so on. So this was for today. Hope you like the class. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.